you know you want to purchase this product, or you've been hearing about it but you're not sure if you should buy it or not, this video will convince you either to buy it or not. So keep watching. Hi besties, hey guys, how are you doing? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. When it comes to reviewing product, when it comes to sharing a bit about my lifestyle, when it comes to tech tips, tutorials, that is me. Ensure you're part of my community, and don't even ensure, I want you to be part of my community. So please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. As usual, I love to review products I use, and I always make sure I use the product before coming here to give you any form of review. I go through that phase of actually using the product. Yeah, we're talking about this product. This is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, and it is by Palmer's. I have used the cocoa butter cream lotion in the past, but I saw a lot of review about the oil and the scent, and I was like, why are you guys raving about this oil? Let me buy it and see. I got this last year, mid last year. Currently the weather condition is not great with lotions, and most lotions come with something that just makes you sweat. I hate that feeling of feeling hot, so lotions don't do the work for me. Even some body oils can make you sweat, because I was really looking out for a body oil that I loved so much, and I was looking out for some. I saw two, one from Apps Natural. It's a Nigerian skincare brand. I'm going to drop their handle here. They have a beautiful, excellent body oil. And this one again is from Palmer's. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula body oil. This is how it comes in, like this. This is the front and this is the back, and this is what is left. So if you guys are watching me, Palmer's, if you're watching me, please send me oil. When it comes to the dispenser, this is what it comes like. This is what it pour. So you just pour like this. It has a very secured dispenser. I don't know if that is the word, but yes, this is what it comes in. I don't think I've ever spilled this oil. I always put this in my bag because I always take it with me in case I have my hands dry. I always use it, you know, for my hands, my leg, and everything. And on no account or at no point have I ever spilled it. So kudos to them for getting or using a very good container for it. You guys outdid yourself with the packaging. Thank you. For the scent, guys, I won't lie, I love the scent. You might not like it, but I do like it. It smells so nice. Like, so nice. It has a very nice smell. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to place it. It's just so nice. Like, I'm obsessed with the smell. When I wear this out of the house, it's like, what oil did he use? What perfume did he use? What's that smell? You know, I get compliments. It has a nice scent, fragrance. The fragrance is so nice. The scent gives, the fragrance gives. When it comes to the ingredients, here, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin A. So I'm guessing vitamin A is the major ingredient, right? What this brand promises to do? It says it's to moisturize your skin, it's to soften your skin. So it moisturizes, softening body oil. It says here 48 hours moisture. Here it's written down here, 48 hours moisture. So, and also says dermatologist approved. And it says for bath, body, and shower. It instantly replenishes dry skin. That's what it promises, okay? At the back here, it says hydrate and soften skin with Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula body oil, crafted with intensely moisturizing cocoa butter and vitamin E. So the ingredients here is cocoa butter and vitamin E. The other ingredients it contains is soya bean oil. It also contains oil, sesame oil, safflower oil, cocoa seed, sunflower oil, corn oil, beta-carotene. My experience with it. My experience with this oil is, yes, it promises to moisturize your skin, and the truth is it does moisturize your skin. When it comes to moisturizing your skin, your body, it is 100% there. Like, I give it 10 over 10. It does moisturize my skin. It does the job of what a body lotion should do. So when it says it instantly replenishes your skin hydration, it is true. It does instantly replenish my skin hydration. Like few seconds ago, I felt dry because I have a dry skin on my face, my hand, and some part of my body. Mostly I have a dry skin, and I'm someone who, if I'm not moisturized enough, I start getting itch. Like I feel itchy, I feel uncomfortable, my hands are itchy. So this body oil does so much in hydrating my skin. It gives the right amount of hydration, so it doesn't overhydrate my skin whereby you can see that so it makes me uncomfortable. So there are some body oil or body cream I've used or body lotion I've used that has hydration in it, but it tends to overhydrate my skin that I feel too oiled up. This one has a good amount of the moisturization you need, and I don't know how to put it, like it just gives that standard level of moisturization or hydration that you want. So that's what I like about it. So it oils my skin up, but it doesn't look so shiny. It doesn't leave any extra oil texture. Once you apply it, it goes deep into the skin, and that's one thing I like about the product. So my experience with it has been, since I started using this product, I swear to God, really cheap. I started using this brand body oil. I can guarantee that I have experienced hydration, maximum hydration on my body. I really don't need to go in with my body lotion anymore. I just go with this and I'm good. Little goes a long way. You just need a tiny amount for it to go around the whole body, which I love about it, because I've been using this for almost 6 months, and I still have some left. So very economical as well. Another thing it promises to do is 48 hours moisture. I cannot guarantee this one. This one, I don't know. I really don't know, because I have a dry skin. So at the moment I need it to dry my skin, it does dry my skin, but I don't think I will maybe apply it in the morning, and when I'm having my bath in the evening, I still feel it. I don't think so. I cannot really give them that. I can't tell you it is going to give you 48 hours like moisture. I don't think it gives 48 hours moisture. When applying it on the body, like how I apply it on my body as my body oil, it doesn't give me 48 hours, but it does give me maybe 24 hours or within 12 to 24 hours. That's fine. But it's just like saying applying it today and I don't have to apply the oil tomorrow. I don't know, except it works from the inside, but from the outside, which is where I'm focused on, and due to the fact that I have itchiness, dryness, if I don't feel moisturized, I would say between 12 to 24 hours is the maximum moisture I get from it on the outside. If you live in Lagos, you know we're going through inflation, and you get things double the price, triple the price of how much it has, that's been like less than a year ago. I'm editing the video. I'm going to go and research on how much it is currently sold. But I think I got this from Tika Store. Most of my skincare videos, you always hear me say Tika Store. Well, I don't really get all my products from her. I also get from a beauty pal, the beauty aesthetic, but buy better. I'm going to start all their handles. You can try them out, try and check which of them have this particular product, because how I use this is in the mornings. I don't really go in with anything on my body at night. I don't feel dry at night, so thank God for that. But I just use this in the morning all over my body, but not on my face. I don't use this on my face. I think with the period I used this on my face was when I didn't have the sunscreen I currently have. Now the sunscreen I currently have has a way of hydrating my face, giving my face extra moisture, because my skincare lineup from face wash to toner to I use a Slim-O-Sin. So Slim-O-Sin doesn't really give that full. It gives hydration, but it's not oily. It doesn't have that extra oil oil. So there's this sunscreen I use now. I have the Hatumuchi sunscreen. I've done a review. I'm going to drop a link up here if you want to see a review. A big size Hatumuchi sunscreen. Good sunscreen, very nice sunscreen. I use that. I also use the I don't know the name, but I'm going to start it here too. These two sunscreen has helped me avoid using this on my face, because after I go with all my skincare products, which still leaves my face a bit almost dry, but I still need more moisture. But once I apply that sunscreen, it just locks it in. It just gives me that full feeling of I'm good to go. I don't feel itchy. I don't feel dry. I don't feel stripped. That's the word. Do I recommend this product? Yes. because everything he promised to do, he did it. I see 8 hours moisture. I'm not sure about that. Another option would probably be the App's natural body oil. Overall, did this product worth my money? Yes. Would I buy it again? Yes. It's actually a very good product and I enjoyed using it on my skin. If there's any product you want me to review, let me know down in the comments. If I lay my hand on it, I'm going to give you a review for sure. If you enjoyed watching this video, give this video a thumbs up. Like. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my channel because I want yes, you watching me to be part of my community. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your notification bell, and share this video to your loved ones. Send it to your group chats. It would mean so much to my channel. If you know you're in your late 20s or your early 30s or mid 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, watch this video up here because I'll be sharing there things you can do to strengthen, support your skin at this age you're in. So whatever age grade you fall into, click that video and watch it. Now see you guys in that video. Bye.